Hi there. So I'm going to demonstrate the integration of Gmail with our omnichannel product, which is Intellicon. Um, let's head over to the admin panel and to the gateways. The Gmail that we are going to integrate is this one, demo.cap1@gmail.com. Let's delete the current email in the inbox. Right, so now let's integrate this email. On admin panel, we are going to head over to gateways and email, and here we are going to click on add new and then select Gmail. Now we are going to choose our desired account that is to be integrated. Since Google has not verified the app yet, we are going to bypass this and give all the accesses and permissions. Once this is done, we can see that the email has appeared here, and we'll activate it. Once activated, we are required to select the queue and IntelliFlow so that we are able to receive inbound emails. Once this is done, we will have to head over to the queues section and edit it to go to the email management tab and select the integrated email. Once this is done, we are able to send the outbound emails as well, right? So let's sign in with our agent. Now the agent is signed in. Let's put it on break. Right. So now I'm going to send an outbound an email to this email. Let's copy the email and paste it over here. This is a test email. Now this is being sent from this Gmail address, right? We can view the message and see that it is sent successfully, right? So if we see our inbox over here, we can see that we have received this email. Now let's see it on Intellicon. Since the Gmail is integrated, it will be received here. See, the Gmail is received successfully. I'll assign this to my agent. Once done, I'm able to perform multiple actions. These include replying, forwarding, and other things as well. Now let's reply to this email. At this point, we can notice that it is being sent from this email to this email. And once this is sent successfully, it will also be reflected over here, right? So in addition to this, let's have a look at the security section of the integrated email. We can see that third party connection has been made with Intellicon with the following accesses and permissions. In addition to sending and receiving the emails, we can also delete the email thread. So for deleting, we'll have to click on this delete button. Once this is done, we'll have a confirmation toaster saying that the email is deleted successfully. Now let's head over to this, to our Gmail inbox, and let's refresh. We can see that this thread is not visible anymore. It's not even in the thread. This was a separate email, so it has been permanently deleted. Thank you.